Good morning, students. This is the time for your science class. In the previous class, we talked about combustion, types of combustion. Now, today, let's learn what's inside a candle flame. When you see a candle flame, it is in fact the wax vapor burning in presence of air. A flame is a zone of burning vapor. Only those substances that vaporize burn with the vapor. The heat produced on lighting a candle does two things: melts the wax and changes the wax into vapor. A blue flame produced during burning of a fuel indicates complete combustion of that fuel. And yellow and smoky flame during burning of a fuel indicates incomplete combustion due to insufficient supply of oxygen. The various parts of the entire flame region gets different amounts of air. A candle flame consists of 4 zones. Number 1, the outermost or non-luminous zone of complete combustion. This zone is faintly visible and surrounds the yellow luminous part of the flame. It is the hottest part. Next, the central or middle zone. It is the major part of the candle flame and is bright yellow and luminous. This part of the flame has moderate temperature. And last, the inner dark zone or the innermost zone. This is the dark zone near and around the wick. No combustion takes place here and no air is present. And of course, there is a lower zone, and that is the blue zone. Now we will move on to the next and last thing, that is the fuels. In our daily life, the most important sources of energy are fuels. A material which is burnt to produce heat is called a fuel. For example, LPG, petrol, coal, domestic gas, kerosene, diesel, these all are the fuels. The amount of heat produced by the complete burning of 1 kg of a fuel is called its calorific value. It is expressed in kilojoule per kg. The calorific value of fuels is usually determined by complete combustion or complete burning of the fuel. Now the types of fuels. Fuels may be classified into 3 types. Solid fuels like coke, charcoal, wax, wood. Liquid fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene. Gaseous fuels like compressed natural gas or CNG. Liquefied petroleum gas or LPG, biogas, etc. Now, the characteristics of good fuels. They should to be very cheap, readily available, easy to handle, safe to transport, convenient to store. And what are the uses of fuels? Fuels produce energy on burning. So we can yield the energy by the burning of fuels. So this is the main importance or significance. A good fuel should to be non-polluting in nature and burns without leaving any residues. But the increasing fuel consumption has harmful impact on the environment. Along with heat and light, the burning of fuels produce many pollutants. A pollutant is a substance that harms the environment. Fuels like coal, wood or petroleum release unburned coal particles which cause respiratory diseases like asthma. Fuels also causes global warming, increasing the global temperature. Burning of coal, fly ash, this all causes environmental hazards. So we have to use fuels in a very moderate ways and we have to choose some natural fuels that will release less harmful residues. Thank you.